Hello.
Christchurch.
Hey!
Hi now.
Where are we now?
We are in the outskirts of Christchurch.
Could be anywhere in Australia.
The world's most earthquake-prone city, which is where we are right now. So we're going to check this city out for a few hours and then drop this baby back at the airport.
If I was to use one word to describe Christchurch, that word would be quiet. It's a really quiet city. I even said to you at one point, are people being quiet so they don't cause another earthquake by accident?
What's his name? That's your cousin, right?
That's,
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Lop, 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 lop. What?
Mother Earth, be very quiet.
Sweet as, bro!
Love you, bye! Please like it, please! Please like it, oh my god.
Thank you for watching and feel free to, comment, share, like.
Sharing is caring.
All that.